I am smiling. Welcome back again to the channel. You guys, I am back from Ekiti and I'm swinging straight into planning Kaima's birthday. It's not going to be anything so much. My husband was already saying, you that is saying only just follow. I know you will turn it to something else. I just say, okay, my event people that work with me, the DJ said he will come tomorrow and just come and set up in the sweet. You guys, look at my baby girl. Look at my baby girl. Would you believe that? Come and say hello, guys.
Hello,
Our hair is ready. Yes. Sweet. Hey, sweet. You guys, look at my baby. It's turning 2 tomorrow, guys. Yay! Happy birthday to Kaima. Happy birthday to Kaima. You guys, backstory, right? I was away, and please just start saying thank you Oyin Peperenzi in my comment section. Because of how sad I was, you guys know that we're in a state of mourning and no, I didn't even want to do anything and no. But to be very honest with you, I have amazing friends. I told Oyin that I'll just cook and tell people to come. She was like, you Boma, no. Don't let your whatever is happening to you affect your children as well, and especially that, you know, especially for this Kaima, we know how you suffer for this Kaima. We know. If you don't know, if you just join my channel of recent, you guys just go down my video where I shared my testimony of how I almost bled Kaima out. Like, it was not an easy journey at all, but look at where we are. Kaima is 2 years tomorrow. And you guys, Oyin Peperenzi went to the market when I was away. In fact, when I was away, my mom was telling me that she was always calling to check in. Yeah, wait, go and give her a piece to help you. My mom was telling me that she was always calling to check in, to find out how they were doing, sending food and all. You guys, as much as you guys think that I'm an amazing friend, I also have amazing friends around me. Someone had dropped a comment and I was like, why did you drop that comment? He said, oh, you have not seen Oyin Peperenzi and Uzo in a long time. I'm like, huh? Oyin Peperenzi and Uzo. See now, I'm talking about Oyin Peperenzi. She's calling me. Give me my phone. It's ringing. It's ringing. Yeah, Kaima say it's ringing. Oyin Peperenzi, 2 hearts that beat as one. I just they talk about you. No. I can't they call me. 2 hearts that beat together as one. Please just give me 50 seconds. I'll call you back now. So she went to the market and she bought all of these things that you can see here, and even more. See, Kaima is even trying to open the sweet. I should open it. Come and give Auntie peace. See, she bought all this for party pack and even more. Peace, where is the party pack? This thing, and even more for us to do party pack for tomorrow. We want to start packing it. Look at this. She even bought like no. You guys, Go and give her a piece to open it. And she didn't ask for a dime. In fact, my money is not in any of these things. She just bought it. When I came back, she brought it for me, and it just really put me in tears, right? I'm happy because in as much as I'm going through what I'm going through, I have friends that are there for me like sisters. You guys, Yummy. I've sent my Laboro man as well. We've all gotten into the excitement of the birthday. I've sent my Laboro man. She's buying tomato, tatache, a lot of things. I will set up Kaima's decoration this night, so that when she wakes up tomorrow morning, my media person will come and take her videos and pictures together with Kaito and all. But anyways, you guys, welcome to preparation and plans of Kaima's birthday vlog. Kaima is turning 2 years. Say a prayer for my baby girl in the comment section, and I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. And also say a prayer for Auntie Oyin Peperenzi. She's such an amazing friend to me. Chai. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay.
Hey guys, So my labor woman just sent the things I told you that I sent her to buy in the market for me. You guys, this woman is just a blessing in my life, because exactly how I want my things is exactly how she brings them for me. And it's good to have relationship with people regardless of their social status, to be very honest with you. Please do have relationship with people. I know it's just easy for you to write off people that are on the street and on the road and just seemingly looks like you're a lot better than them, but this woman has saved me a lot, my labor woman. And when I go to the market this time around, I will see, because I usually don't go to the market in December, but usually I do my month-end shopping. But December is usually crazily busy for me, and then the market is overcrowded. So I will try as much as possible to buy all the things that we need that will carry us till January in this particular market that I'm going to this time around for this market vlog. But anyways, guys, let me take you guys to the kitchen and show you what I told her to buy and she bought and sent down to me. Let me show you guys what she bought. This is tomato. She bought all of this tomato for 4,000 for a paint. I think tomato has come down because of recent I've not gone to buy tomato, but she bought all of this tomato for 4,000 naira for a custard paint. And she bought tatache and shombo. Me, I like my tatache so much with my jollof rice, because that's what really gives it the redness and the flavor. So this is tatache, and all of this tatache you can see here is about 7,000 naira. It's about 7,000 naira. Shombo, what I just showed you guys now is shombo, and then this is tatache, right? So tatache was 6,000 naira. So I told her to buy 2 paint buckets for me, and that's what she got. So she got 2 paint buckets of tatache, 6,000, 6,000, 12,000. And this liver was 2,000 naira. This liver, she got all of it for 2,000. And of course, you guys, my oil is now 3,500 naira in the market. That's how much Golden Terra is, 3,500. And she helped me buy these Gino tin tomatoes for 2,000 naira. I'm not cooking for a lot of people, but yeah. And then spring onions. This is about 500 naira spring onions she bought for me. Then all of my peppers, green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper. This is about 7 pieces here, and she bought it for 4K. And she bought green peas for me as well, 1,000. It just came also. This cabbage is 1,000 naira. That's how much she got it, 1,000 for this cabbage. That's how much she bought it. All these carrots, got it for 3,000. All these carrots, so you can see, she got it for 3,000 naira. I think carrots is now so expensive in the market. I say carrots, onions. So all these onions, she got it for me 6,000 naira. She said carrots is now very why do I keep saying carrots now? She said onions is now very dear in the market. So all of these onions was 6,000 naira. One regret of not buying in Ekiti was, you guys, let me show you. I didn't even unbox for you guys the day I came back from Ekiti. Nah, I was stressed out. Look at all this bunch of plantain. I bought it for 3,500 on my way to Ijesha. When I was passing, I bought it. I even shared plenty. I've even shared out plenty. I even shared that plenty from it to a lot of people. I bought Onyi Peperenzi, Chacha Baby, and a lot of people. But I need to have my bath. I head out. I need to go and get drinks. I need to get drinks and some other things so I can stock inside this freezer. And yeah, that's about it. We'll start cooking from this night. So you guys, of course, there'll be a cooking vlog. I hope you guys will enjoy watching and celebrate with Kaima as well as she turns 2. Hey guys, what's up? You guys, decoration has come up already and the cake is here. I've been sweating because I've been working all day. Let me show you guys what the cake looks like. I've taken the crafty. Kaima is too sweet, and I'm hiding it because it will come out tomorrow. If Kaima sees it, Kaima is doing a Mickey Mouse theme backdrop because she loves Mickey Mouse. Let me show you guys. Let's you go and cut what? So, this is Kaima's birthday gift. We bought it since that we need it inside this wardrobe. I just want to finish up. Because the parlor has her decoration. Her Mickey Mouse decoration is in the parlor. So when she wakes, she's sleeping. Now when she wakes up tomorrow morning, this is what she will come to the parlor to see. Her new bicycle. Emma will be like, oh wow, it's so pretty! It's so pretty!
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray! Well, it's not your birthday, Bobo. It's Kaima. We are waiting for her to wake up. You guys, Kaito is here singing happy birthday to me. To me, as in his own birthday.
Happy birthday to me.
Which me? Come out of there. Which happy birthday to me? Are you hearing this guy too?
Happy birthday to me.
Come out of there. It's Kaima's birthday. Come here, come here, come here, come. Don't wake her up, oh. Don't wake her up. Let her see her surprise. Let her see her surprise. Oh yeah, let's open up this cake. Let her see her surprise. Don't call her yet. Daddy has not come to carry her. I'll see you guys. I'm coming.
Hey! You're done.
Yeah, let's go. Just go and see.
Where is that Mickey Mouse?
Yeah, see your bicycle.
I don't want to snap your head.
See your bicycle.
See.
Can you see? See.
Wow! Oh, the girl is so surprised.
Princess has
Wow! Wow! Don't drop down.
Enter your bicycle. Enter. Let's go. Let's go.
Wow! So pretty!
What do you say? Thank you, mommy. What do you say? Thank you, daddy.
You're welcome, baby. Mommy girl. What's up?
Happy birthday.
Ata, come and hug Kaima. Say happy birthday, babe. Kaima. Come on, hug her. Come on, hug her.
Yeah, hug her, then.
Hug, hug. Oh.